Agents, how are we doing this week? Listen, a lot of stuff coming up this week. First thing I want to do though is show you CGI. How many of you guys have set up your career growth initiative? Go to kwconnect.com and all you do is you have the growth tab, click growth initiative, come down here, view full CGI calculator, and you can begin to put in your goals. Most of you have already done this. So what I want to make sure you're doing is tracking your appointments. So you just click the add button here to add an appointment. So when you go on a listing appointment, make sure you're documenting that in your CGI calculator. All right? Awesome. So here's what's going on this week. Josh's tech training is going on. He's doing a great job. It's been well received. Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 1. Wednesday, we do have a career night. So if you have anybody that's looking to get into real estate or is in real estate school, or you just want to come for a refresher, we talk about CGI there. We talk about the economic model from the MREA book. Great class, basically business planning for you or new agents, okay? Thursday sales meeting, make sure you look at that. We're going to have a panel. That'll be on this email here that we have a panel discussion of top agents on Thursday. All right? Look forward to seeing you guys at Keller Williams. Thanks.